A decision on whether or not to charge 84 Crestwood midstream protesters is still pending. After a court hearing today, the town of Reading judge reserved his right to rule on the charges until a later date. WENY's Logan Wilson joins us with more on whether a pretrial deal still stands. Logan?
Renata, since October, 296 people from around the Finger Lakes were arrested at the gates of Crestwood Midstream in Reading. Today, 84 of those protesters had their day in court to find out whether or not a deal they struck with the Schuyler County District Attorney's Office is still in place. Last March, Schuyler County District Attorney Joe Fazzari made a verbal agreement with the protesters. The agreement said if those arrested don't purposely get rearrested, at least 100 of their cases would be dropped.
Well, on April 22nd, approximately 19 new protesters were arrested. And from the prosecution's point of view, that essentially negated the agreement having to do with our position on the interest of justice motion.
Even though the 19 new protesters were not part of the deal previously made, the district attorney's office says the deal impacted all protesters because they are all part of a single effort.
And it's pointless from the prosecution's point of view to say, all right, you can get your case dismissed, and yet there have 5,000 new protesters lined up to do the same thing.
An attorney for the protesters says the court should not allow the cases of the other 19 protesters to impact the 84 who were in court today.
It is absolutely forbidden in a courtroom to judge any defendant on the actions of somebody else.
The Schuyler County DA's office said the judge will take a few weeks before making a written decision. The arrested